Okay, today we are going to work on U words that are pronounced with a Y in front of the U. So these are words that have U in it somewhere, but we put a Y sound in front of the U. So it's not just for a short U or U for a long U. It's usually is one of them. U. It's kind of a YU sound, as in usually. So let's see here. I'm going to read off some words and then use them in a sentence, and you can repeat them after me to practice putting that Y sound in front of the U. Figured. I figured you'd figure it out eventually. Figured. Graduation. Congratulations on your graduation. Notice both of those have the YU. Congratulations and graduation. Not graduation. Let me make sure you can hear the difference. Graduation is no, don't do that. Graduation is with the Y sound, that's correct. Graduation. Fabulous. You look fabulous tonight. So not fabulous, it's fabulous. Fabulous. Curriculum. We have a new curriculum this semester. Commune. He lives in some sort of commune in the wilderness. Immune. I had the vaccination, so I should be immune to it by now. By the way, try saying that sentence 3 times fast because I've had to record this 3 times. There's a lot of S's and SH's in there. I had the vaccination, so I should be immune. I had the vaccination, so I should be immune to it by now. It's hard to say fast. So if you want to work on your S's and SH's, that's a good one. And now I will move on. Excuse. I think that is just an excuse for what you did wrong. Granule. We don't want to waste even a granule of this sugar. Jugular. The jugular vein on his neck stood out when he was mad. Dispute. You can't dispute the fact that we were only 1 point away. Amputate. Doctor, are you going to have to amputate my leg? Vernacular. He spoke using the vernacular of his childhood village. Modular. She built the bookcase in a modular fashion. Singular. Apple is the singular form. Apples is the plural form.